Hello everyone, I'm Sevinch from Kaya Academy, and today I'm going to talk about how to upload photos to Instagram from camera roll. Do you have some photos you already shot that you'd like to share with your Instagram followers? It's easy to select one or more photos and then share them on your Instagram feed. Here's how to upload photos from your camera. At first, tap the plus icon at the bottom of the home screen and the photo screen appears. And tap library. Right now we are in the library and the camera roll screen appears. Android users see the gallery screen and the most recent photo you saved to your smartphone appears in the viewer. Thumbnail sized photos appear below the viewer and swipe in the thumbnail photos to view other photos. When you find one you like, tap it and the selected photo appears in the viewer. And Instagram automatically crops your photo to the size of the viewer, and it's optional. You can view the photo in its original size by tapping the resize icon, just like that, and then tap next. You can apply filters and edit your photo as described earlier. From there, you can choose one of the filters. And when you love one of the filters, just tap next. And the new post screen appears. You can write a caption, tag people, add a location, change advanced settings and recipients, and share your photo on other social networks. And when you're ready to share your photos, you can just see it on the top of the screen and you can just tap share and that's it. If you have an Apple Mac desktop or laptop and you use the Safari web browser, there's a trick you can use to upload one or more photos from your Mac to your Instagram profile. Windows users, you're out of luck. And you use the Boomerang app to create and post mini videos on your feed. Your camera takes a burst of photos and Boomerang stitches them together, creating a quick video clip that plays backward and forward like a boomerang flies. Get it? And you can use the Layout app to combine multiple photos into one photo and post the combined photo on your feed without having to swipe back and forth between photos. I think that's it for now, and thanks for watching and have a great day.